The world of Macs is about to be revolutionized. And if you've been on the fence about buying a new Mac or MacBook, you've made the right decision by waiting. The upcoming releases are set to bring groundbreaking changes that will elevate the Mac experience to an unprecedented level. Today, we've got an exciting collection of new information, including a feature that is sure to delight Mac enthusiasts. Let's dive into the details of what's in store, starting with some manufacturing news that signals big things ahead. One of the most exciting aspects is that an M4 powered device will outperform previous Mac models equipped with even the top tier chips, allowing users to save money while still enjoying cutting edge performance. This is all thanks to Apple's second generation 3 nanometer architecture, which delivers better performance with reduced power consumption, a win win scenario. While the current update is largely focused on internal specs, there are whispers of a future redesign that could see MacBooks becoming even thinner. However, this redesign is expected to be introduced with the OLED models, so for now, we're looking at a more straightforward spec bump that still brings significant benefits. Let's talk about the Mac Mini, a model that hasn't seen significant updates in quite some time. The upcoming version is expected to be a major hit, especially given the substantial improvements it will receive. Not only will the Mac Mini get smaller, but it will also be powered by the M4 chip and feature several other key updates. One of the common complaints about the previous generation of MacBooks, particularly those with the M3 chip, was the fan noise. The single fan in the 14-inch MacBook Pro had to work hard to cool the powerful processor, often spinning up during even moderate tasks. With the M4 chip's improved efficiency, this issue should be significantly reduced, resulting in a quieter, cooler machine. But the most significant development in these new models is Apple's move to make 16 gigabytes of RAM the new standard. For years, the base model of most Macs came with just 8 gigabytes of RAM, a limitation that was becoming increasingly problematic as software demands grew. The new Macs promise to deliver not only better performance, but also a more balanced, efficient experience that should appeal to a wide range of users. The upcoming M4 Macs represent a significant leap forward for Apple's computing lineup. With advanced performance, improved efficiency, and new features that address long-standing user concerns, these new models are set to make a major impact. If you're considering upgrading or buying a new Mac, now is the time to pay attention. We want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on the new M4 Max? Are you excited about the move to 16 gigabytes of RAM? Which model are you most interested in? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos for the latest updates on tech.